Hello everyone, this is a JB70. Just received it. This NOCO boost, when I got it, it turns on. When you plug it to the charge, it show about like here, it show about like 1.4, 1.5 amp for about maybe less than a minute. 25% flashing, then the amps is dropped to 0. Here keep flashing like is a charging, so we call it like a fake charging. I leave it like overnight, stuck at the 25%. The same thing what the customer told me about. So I did check the unit apart. I checked the fuse. I checked this fuse here. The fuse is good. I checked this low ohm resistor. They are good. I checked the voltage in the battery between this is the negative and this is the positive side of the battery. I checked the voltage over there. It was like about 8 volt, something like that. I checked these resistors here. None of them is open, so all of them is good. It's a low ohm resistor as well. I checked the diodes, transistor for search, nothing. I did measure the voltage from the ground here to VCC 12 volt over there. I found like about 8 volt because the battery is slow. That's the same battery voltage. Yeah, this is the tests that I did. Then I did look at on the board using microscope. I did look closely every single part, and they found it was a solder ball on this chip, this side. So I removed that solder ball and I plug it to charge. It was charging. For this time it's like it charged for long, like 30 minutes or so charging, and the voltage is the battery voltage, you jump it to the 9 volt, like it's getting some juice. And this chip is getting very hot, this one here. This is a regulator booster with this diode here. I did check the short, there is no short, so because the battery is kind of, I don't know, it's a defective battery, that's why it's putting a lot of stress on this chip, that's why it's getting hot. Anyway, now I got it to charge. You can see it's 100% charge. So let me show you just quick the process that I did in case if you have the same. So here we check this diode, put it in the diode mode. Let me. So for flip. Yeah, this diode is good. Even it's giving me the read in the other side, because it's a reading other components in the circuit. But I did remove the diode and I tested out of the board, and this was reading good. This diode too here, this one here. Yeah, no short. I test this one. Test the capacitors for short. Test this resistor. I show you how. So let's put it on the ohm. Yeah, the resistor is testing good. Yeah, I check here for the 5 volt, the 5 volt input. Let me grab a charger. So you can see it just take about 1.25 amp. So that's good. And I check here and the voltage. So you always do these checks. Yeah, see it's 4.2. Yeah, this chip is warm, but I'm gonna use this thermal pad to keep it cool. And right here in the battery voltage now is a 12 volt, and here in the between the ground and VCC we have 12 volt, so that's good. Okay, let me unplug it. These low ohm resistor, the big ones, these big ones here, or let's just this fuse is good. And this low ohm resistor, one from here to here, that's the white one, is here. Yeah, that's good. This one good. This one good. So there is a 4 of them. And this one here is good. The battery was very low and it was going to take days to charge, because charging 5 volt this big battery, it take a long time. That's normal. Don't think that you're going to plug the charger 1 hour and it's going to be full charge. You need to leave it like 24 hours when the battery is very low. But this one it charged all the way up within like I leave it overnight, like maybe 8 to 10 hours, and it's go from 0, like it was 9 volt to 12 volt to full charge. So I did give the battery some boost charging. Like I put my external charger, the ground here, and the positive side over there, and I give it like a 12 volt for about like maybe 10 minutes, just to boost it a little bit to get charged. Then everything works as it should, and it's charging fine. And so I just have to put it together to ship it back to. So this is all for this video. Just was quick to show you what I did in this NOCO, in case if you have the same problem.